AVAX blockchain, the fastest crypto explained. Alright, let's talk about Avalanche. No, not the snow kind, the crypto one. If you've seen that bold red AVAX logo floating around, you might be wondering what all the hype is about. Avalanche is a blockchain platform created by a Cornell professor named Emin Gun-Sirer. Think of it as a digital playground where developers can build decentralized apps using smart contracts, DeFi, gaming, NFTs. What really sets Avalanche apart is how it's built for speed and low fees, thanks to a unique consensus mechanism called proof of stake. Instead of a bunch of computers burning energy to solve puzzles, validators on Avalanche work together, making transactions crazy fast and much cheaper. Here's where it gets interesting. Avalanche isn't just one blockchain, it's actually 3 blockchains working together. Picture it as a team, each with a special job. First up, the exchange chain or X chain. This is where assets are created and exchanged. Next is the contract chain or C chain. This one's built for smart contracts. If you're familiar with Ethereum, you'll feel right at home. The C chain uses the Avalanche virtual machine, which is compatible with Ethereum's tech, so developers can easily launch their apps on Avalanche without starting from scratch. And then there's the platform chain, or P chain. It's the behind-the-scenes manager, keeping track of validators and making sure the network stays secure and organized. Now about that AVAX token. It's the lifeblood of the Avalanche network. You use it to pay transaction fees, and if you want to help secure the network, you can even stake your AVAX. That means locking it up to help validate transactions, and in return, you earn rewards. So, Avalanche is more than just a logo or a coin. It's a whole ecosystem built for speed, flexibility, and innovation in the world of blockchain. Whether you're a developer, a trader, or just crypto curious, Avalanche is definitely one to keep your eye on. Thanks for watching.